Want to eat healthy all week without spending hours in the kitchen? I'm about to show you how you can meal prep like a pro in just a fraction of the time. Get ready to save time, eat better, and feel amazing without the hassle. Before we dive into the recipes, here are 3 simple tips to set you up for meal prep success. Tip number 1. Keep it simple. Stick to 5 ingredients or less. This way, you get maximum flavor without the hassle. Tip number 2. Batch cook your grains and proteins. Cook once, and you're set for the whole week, saving you loads of time. And tip number 3. Mix and match for endless variety. Switch up your combos, and you'll never get bored. Trust me, these tips will make your meal prep a breeze and keep your week full of delicious meals. Before we dive into the recipes, here are 3 simple tips to set you up for meal prep success. Tip number 1. Keep it simple. Stick to 5 ingredients or less. This way, you get maximum flavor without the hassle. Tip number 2. Batch cook your grains and proteins. Cook once, and you're set for the whole week, saving you loads of time. And tip number 3. Mix and match for endless variety. Switch up your combos, and you'll never get bored. Trust me, these tips will make your meal prep a breeze and keep your week full of delicious meals. Start your mornings off right with these easy and delicious breakfast ideas. First up, overnight oats. Just layer oats, your favorite milk, and some delicious toppings like fruits and nuts. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and you've got a nutritious breakfast ready to grab and go. Next, chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, let it set overnight, and in the morning, you've got a creamy, satisfying breakfast. Add your favorite toppings like berries for an extra burst of flavor. And if you're in a rush, smoothie packs are a game changer. Pre-pack your fruits and greens, pop them in the freezer, and blend with your choice of liquid. Breakfast in 30 seconds. Lunch doesn't have to be boring. These meals will keep you energized and feeling great. Let's start with layered salad jars. Load them up with your favorite veggies, beans, and grains. The best part? They stay fresh all week and are easy to grab when you're on the go. Next up, grain bowls. Combine hearty grains like quinoa with roasted veggies and lean protein like chicken or tofu. Add some avocado for healthy fats, and you've got a bowl packed with nutrients that will keep you full and energized. And don't forget wraps. Fill them with roasted veggies, hummus, or even a little protein for a quick, satisfying lunch that's perfect for meal prep. For a quick and customizable dinner, try a stir-fry. Choose your favorite veggies, add some tofu or chicken, and toss it all together with brown rice for a flavorful and balanced meal. And if you're craving something light and fresh, baked salmon with quinoa and asparagus is a total winner. It's rich in protein, omega-3s, and loaded with flavor. Think meal prep takes hours? Think again. In just 3 minutes, here's how you can prep your whole week of meals. We're starting with breakfast. Grab your oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and fruit spoon. That's 2 breakfasts done in seconds. Next, lunch. Layer your salad jars with veggies, beans, and greens. Stack them up 3, 4, 5 done. Now, dinner time. Throw some chicken, veggies, and sweet potatoes on a sheet pan season. Pop it in the oven, and you're ready to go. That's it, 3 minutes, and you've got a week's worth of delicious, healthy meals ready to go. It's that easy. Storage is key when it comes to meal prep. You want your meals fresh and ready to eat all week long. Here's how to organize like a pro. First, always use airtight containers. They keep your meals fresh and prevent any leaks or spills. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Next, label everything with dates. It makes sure you're eating the freshest meals first and helps you stay on track all week long. And don't forget to organize your fridge. Stack your containers so everything's easy to grab when you're ready to eat. No more digging through a mess. With these simple steps, your meals stay fresh, organized, and ready to fuel your week, making healthy eating that much easier. Alright, it's time to see how all this hard work pays off. This is so good. The flavors are on point. And the best part? I didn't have to spend hours cooking. Healthy, delicious, and saves time. This is exactly why I love meal prepping. It's not just about making life easier. It's about enjoying every meal you eat. If I can do it, you can too. Try it out for yourself, and I promise, your future self will thank you. Remember, meal prep is all about making healthy choices easier. It's not about being perfect, it's about setting yourself up for success, one meal at a time. Start small, maybe just prep breakfast or lunch for a few days and you'll feel the difference in your energy and productivity. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite meal prep idea. I'd love to hear what you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep making meal prep easy and delicious. Healthy eating made simple. Let's do this. You've got everything you need to make this week your healthiest yet. Hit that subscribe button for more easy recipes and healthy meal prep tips. See you in the next video.